All right, let's do another example, and this is going to be with regard to agriculture. So let me read it and then we'll jump right in. It says, a grower wishes to plant flowers in a square plot containing 1,500 square feet. What should the length of each of the plot be? Okay, well, let's draw a picture. I'm a fan of drawing a picture. So here we have a square lot, and what are they telling us? They want the area of the square lot to be 1,500 square feet, right? Okay. The question that we need to ask is, if we want a square plot where the area is 1,500 square feet, what do the lengths and the width of the, what are the dimensions, right? The length of the sides need to be, right? For this to occur, okay? The key is that this is a square lot. Okay? So we know the area, right? So think about it. Let's set this up. So we know area is a square unit. It's area. What's the area of a square, right? It's length times width, right? The area of a rectangle is length times width, right? But with a square, the length and the width are the same. So we get, let's say this. Length times length, which is what? Length squared, right? So that means the length squared is equal to 1,500 square feet. Or, in this case, since we're using x, we can change the variable, doesn't matter. And so what are we going to do? How are we going to find x? Guess what? We're going to take the square root of this. We're saying, hey, x is a perfect square, right? So how do we find x? Well, we have to take the square root. So this is going to involve taking the square root of 1,500, okay? That's the gist of this, right? So now that we know what we're going to do, now we can use the calculator. Okay, so just go ahead and put in square root of 1,500. And now, do they ask us the round? Let's see. Round to the nearest tenth. All right, so we're going to round to the nearest tenth. Okay, so what does that mean? This is going to equal approximately 38.7 feet. So that's the length of each side would have to be. Approximately 38.7 feet. Okay? And that's it. Have a great day.